With Prime Minister Andrew Holness expected to present another crime plan to the country following a spike in murders, there are suggestions that the government should first revise its own approach to crime prevention. One University of the West Indies social violence anthropologist believes successive governments have repeatedly been focusing on the wrong things. TVJ's Herman Green has that story.
For social violence anthropologist Dr. Herbert Gale, the solution to Jamaica's crime problem lies in prevention. He listed several issues that he argued need to be addressed, but noted that successive governments have focused on the wrong area for economic growth and crime prevention.
There is a ministry that drives a young country. It's called the Ministry of Education, not National Security.
Speaking at the 2017 National Youth Consultative Conference on Thursday, Dr. Gale sought to drive home the link between being uneducated and crime. By his assessment, education is not just a means to employment, but enhances reasoning maturity within a society.
Once you're educated, you become conservative in your thoughts. You think through everything you do, and everything makes sense within a model. There are too many people in this country who believe that if I scam, I will survive. If I go down the road and I grab something and run, I will survive. Because we have all held them in a survivability mold.
Dr. Gale is therefore suggesting that the focus be put on reducing the number of persons who drop out of the formal education system early, as well as in finding a way to get those who have already dropped out back into educational institutions. He says depending on the community, between 20 and 50% of young people, especially males between 6 and 18 years, have dropped out of school and are idle.
There will always remain a massive pool for the recruitment of gang formation and establishment and sustainability. And that's going to account for 65% of your murders on average since the year 2000. Isn't it clear? So if it is so clear, why do we do it?
Executive Director of the National Integrity Action, Professor Trevor Monroe, not only agrees, but says he endorses any effort to keep children in school.
At St. Michael's Primary, helping primary school youth, not waiting till secondary and tertiary, helping primary school youth to learn and to do the right thing.
Dr. Gale is of the view that this focus change is critical, as since the year 2000, Jamaica's homicide rate has been steadily increasing from 48.2 per 100,000. Based on the crime stats, he anticipates that this year it will be above 63 per 100,000. Herman Green, TVJ News.